One of the key benefits of Business Central is that you quickly learn how to use the system. In this video, I will share 5 such tips and tricks that will help you use Business Central effectively. Let's jump on to the first one. The focus mode. This one is by far one of my favorite tips and tricks in Business Central. Imagine you're working with multiple lines and you need to focus just on the line items and nothing else. Well, focus mode on the pages with the line item is exactly that. It allows you to expand the view of the line items section to make it easier to edit, navigate, and review. To turn on the focus mode, click the focus mode icon in the top right corner of the window next to the autosave indicator, or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-Shift-F12. Once activated, it allows you to focus on the line items as shown in the next slide. Next one is calculating data in numeric fields. For people that like calculating numbers on the go, this next step is for you. For fields that contain numeric data like price or quantity, you can enter the value or the formula for the total sum instead of using a calculator or doing the calculations somewhere else. For instance, in this image, you can see for line 2, I am adding 55 plus 10.5 straight into the field. Once I'm done and hit Tab, the formula kicks in and the value gets displayed in the field as shown in the slide. The value that we see now is 65.5. So it automatically calculated the formula that I entered in the field. We all know what bookmarking stands for, and we have bookmarked our pages when reading a book. Bookmarking in Business Central means that it will save the page as a shortcut link in the home page of your Business Central, also known as the Role Center. There are 2 ways to bookmark a page. First one through the Tell Me What You Want to Do section, also known as Search, and the second one directly through the page itself. If you look at the image on this slide, it shows you the Role Center, which has bookmarks, also known as shortcuts for you. The bookmarks that you see are chart of accounts, bank accounts, customers, vendors, incoming documents, purchase invoices, and budgets. Now let's say I want to bookmark sales order. So using the first method, I will try to search for the sales order page on the Tell Me What You Want to Do section. When the result is shown, I take my cursor to the line that displays sales orders, and the bookmark icon appears as shown in this image. Once I click on it, it will bookmark the sales order page for me in my Role Center. The second way is to bookmark it on the page itself as shown in image 2. Once bookmarked, I can now see the sales order bookmarked in my Role Center. We can now see that the sales order appears in our Role Center, which was previously not visible. So after bookmarking the sales order, it appears in our Role Center, as shown in this image. Next up is the Tell Me section. One of the most powerful features of Business Central is the Tell Me section, or the search option. If you are trying to search for a page or a report, you don't have to look for it elsewhere, but rather use the search option available to you. You can look for the Tell Me section by searching on search icon at the top right section of the Business Central, or press Alt-Q to bring up the Tell Me section. As soon as you enter the first few characters, Business Central starts displaying potential matches. The result in the list changes as you type more characters. For instance, when I typed in sales, I got 50 potential matches for pages and tasks. And when I entered order after the sales, the list decreased to 10 potential matches for pages and tasks. One of the last tips for today's video is personalizing and saving filtering views. Imagine you have been assigned to only specific customers when dealing with sales invoices, and you only want to view invoices related to those customers. Now, instead of going through thousands of invoices, wouldn't it be better for you to only view the customers you have been assigned with? Well, there is a way to do that. Click on the filter icon and enter the criteria for your view. Once you're done, hit the Save button. Once you have saved the view, you will now be able to see the list you want as long as that saved view is selected as shown in the next image. As you can see, I have 3 views for this filtering option. All, Adatum Corporation, customer number 30,000. You can switch over to other views if you have saved, or else select all and it will clear out the filter. Business Central has many tips and tricks, but for this video I only showed you 5. Thanks for viewing this video, and if you have any questions, please visit the link displayed on this. Someone will be able to assist you with your request. Thank you.